The idea of geopolitics is a really important concept from Chapter 8. Geopolitics is the study of how geography shapes politics, like through the development of boundaries, and also international relations, how countries interact with each other. There are two major theories of geopolitics that we need to cover in this class. The first is Halford Mackinder's Heartland theory. For him, the world was divided into different sections. First was the world island. The world island is this area here outlined in blue, pretty much Europe and Asia. He's considered the world island as being the center of power for the rest of the world. He then goes on to identify different regions and breaks down the world island even further. First, he identifies the heartland. The heartland, for Mackinder, and also why it's called the Heartland theory, is the center of power. Who controls the heartland is the one who has political control. So the heartland is here in red. Most of Eastern Europe and Russia, parts of Northern Asia. Whoever controls this area is said to control the world island and thus be the most politically important nation in the world. Now, one of his students was Nicholas Spykman. Spykman disagreed with this, and he developed the Rimland theory. Rimland theory is probably a little more accurate when you're looking at today's political situation. He said that real control of political power could be found in the coastal areas surrounding the heartland, so Western Europe, Northern Africa, and pretty much the rest of Asia, all this area here in blue. That's Spykman's Rimland. That's where he says political control will be amassed. So, as we look at the history of political developments, we can see with China rising to becoming a major world power, Japan, and the history of Europe, we can probably see a lot of accuracy in Spykman's Rimland theory.